Tried and true advice for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online, but it can also be very competitive with lots of people trying to market and sell identical products and services. This video contains a numbers of tips to expand your knowledge of affiliate marketing and help you to optimize profitable marketing techniques. Focus on benefits in your sales copy. Don't just list the features of your product, tell people what they will actually get from your product. Will they get peace of mind? Will they make money? Don't merely sell the features, sell the real benefits of what your product can do for them. Make sure to allow for time to work on your site, especially early on. All affiliate marketers have a goal of owning a work-free site, but getting there takes time. In the beginning, spend some time developing your graphics, updating your design, and doing some research. You'll see a better payoff in the end. Only maintain the affiliate programs that are the most profitable. Stay on top of affiliate activity. Getting rid of affiliates that do not perform well will leave more room for better paying advertisers. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a website with significant numbers of visitors every day. Offering coupons can be an effective tool to attract more and more customers. It is even better if you can offer a variety of coupons redeemable on your merchant's site, as this practice can increase your income significantly without any major investment. By implementing some of the affiliate marketing methods mentioned above and utilizing the advice presented in this video, you should be able to develop some killer affiliate marketing campaigns. Subsequently, you will be well on your way to succeeding in the affiliate marketing field and your monthly income will grow. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.